So while the finisher has great action and gets plenty of strikes on its own, here's a little trick that I think is really, really important. I'll take that minnow and you want to lay that treble hook so it's nice and in line with the bait. And I'll take the treble hook and I actually hook the minnow through the top of the head. So from the top of the head down, and you can see it basically gives you the illusion of two bait fish swimming along. And because that's all in line like that, when you're jigging, it has a real nice flow. And again, it gives that that school of bait image, and a lot of times they cannot resist this. Now the other, real common way to tip a bait like this would be to just use a minnow head, but a lot of times that full minnow is going to trick them, especially the bigger ones. But if you're just going to use a head, all that you would do is just simply pinch it off. You only want a small piece of that head, but this is the way that I like to rig a second minnow in line.